I mean, yours. Yes, this time is stuck. Ma'am, your picture is stuck.
Okay, let's see. Because you are recording the session, no? Wait for
Yes,
some.
that's right.
Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. My God. Fear again. This
Yeah.
time was okay, ma'am.
Is it
Okay,
okay
ma'am.
now?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Is it okay? Shall we start?
Okay, okay.
So,
Okay.
ma'am, we are meet first time, so you have to introduce little bit yourself.
Okay. As you know, my name is Shilpa, and originally I'm from Himachal Pradesh. Currently, I'm living in Punjab, and I'm a homemaker, and I'm an English learner, and I'm a YouTuber. That's all about me.
That's
Please
great,
tell
ma'am.
me something about yourself. Where
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you and what's your name?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity. As you know that my name is Kajal Tiwari. I blessed with two small kids. If you want about my education, I have completed master in Delhi University, ma'am. And apart from that, B.Ed also. These days, I am very passionate to learn this language, and I'm a YouTuber also. Recently, I have started my YouTube channel. That's all about to me, ma'am.
Okay, and where are you from?
I am from Delhi, ma'am.
Okay, so in which stream you have done your master's?
Ma'am, it's sociology.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, so tell me if you have any topic for discussion, what do you want
Ma'am, I
to?
want a discussion any topic, but this time I have no topic. If you have topics, so you can.
Mhm. Okay, there are many topics, many journal topic which we can discuss. Um, we can ask questions to each other, like journal questions.
Okay, ma'am. You can carry on, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, okay, so please tell me why jobs are important to us. What do you think?
Okay.
Why these are
Ma'am,
important?
yes, today's topic is job, ma'am. I think it's a good topic.
Hmm.
Yes. Ma'am,
Actually,
job.
I heard this topic today somewhere on YouTube. That's why
Okay,
I remember.
okay. I think it's a good topic nowadays. Everyone they can want a job. That's why. Ma'am, it's a very good part of our life when we have to do in any job because this time I feel ki we are independent.
Hmm.
I want if I want ki some other things I have to purchase. That time I very easily I have to purchase because the main reason I got a job and I got a payment also. That's why I'm not. We are not dependent on our husband, our families. Even we are participate in our families to money.
Yes, you are right. And apart from this, I think people are doing job to fulfill the responsibilities towards their family because they want to fulfill their responsibility for their families, for their kids, for their parents. So that's why they are earning money
Yes.
for their kids' education, for their health, and of course for themselves also.
Yes, ma'am. Because ma'am, we are in educated and we are get a job. Now that time we are g- give a very good environment to our family and our kids also. Because the main reason ki this time nowadays everyone they want a money and how they can want a money. Just one way to we got a job. That's the main.
Okay, so moving into the topic now, we have started this conversation. So I want to ask you that is it easy for a woman to do job along with taking care of her family? I think it's very difficult. So
Yes,
what is your take on this? Please tell
ma'am.
me your views.
Actually, in my thought, ma'am, it's a very difficult task because we are nowadays we are a homemaker. So I feel difficulties. Ki how do I manage in my home? only I have to work in our home, but we are feel very tired, laziness, and all time we are very aggressive. If full day I have to do work, I have do all the things. Why I am only doing? You are why you are not doing? In our kids and husband also, I we are saying. But many women are they can take a job and have home responsibilities also, ma'am. It's managing task very difficult. I don't know why. I think these women are very passionate, ma'am, and very patientful.
Yes, you are right. I have also seen uh, such ladies who are sharing both duties, like they are doing their house chore also and going outside and doing work. But I can see that it's difficult for them to handle both things, you know.
Yes.
Somewhere they are compromising their health. They are sometimes they are you know, they are not able to spend time with their kids due to their workload. So, what do you think? What is the solution of this problem? Because I think women today's time has changed. Women are also working and they want to go outside, they want to earn money, they want to be self-independent. So, what is the solution of this problem so that you know they can feel they can work freely with free mind?
Actually, ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. I ask you one question: ki why working women are happy and homemakers are not happy? Why? Both are living as family members, but why?
It's not like that working women are happy. It's not like that. I think they yes they are earning money, so they are independent. But and I have seen many homemaker, they are happy because you know they they have given more priority to their kids and family. They are thinking about their family, but most of the women, they are unhappy. You are right. Mostly the housewife, because you know they degrade themselves because they are not earning money and they have to ask uh, for money to their husband. So they feel degrading. But I think it depends on your thinking, on your you know what is
Yes,
going.
person to person, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it depends
And
on.
ma'am, why they working women are patientful?
Uh, Yeah, they have great patience. I think who are not working, who are staying at home, it also needs, you know, guts. If someone is educated and who are staying at home, so it also needs patience. That patient, they are not earning money. They are all the day they are taking care of their family, kids, cooking, you know, doing house chore. But I think women should go out and they should earn money because
I
I
mean, my thought,
that
in my thought, ma'am, working women are happy because the main reason and they are very patientful. Main reason of they are not survive full day in our family members. They don't take many tension, many solution of problem, and they don't take all the home domestic house chores, ma'am. They take a maid in our home, and maid are doing work 1.5 hours and 2 hours, and they can go. And women are also go to in office. They don't take care of our kids full day. But we are in a homemaker. We take full day of our kids, family members. They provide a need in our needs, and that time they feel irritated, ma'am. That's the main reason ki we are always happy but not so happy. But working women are happy because they not take a more tension, and we are take a lots of tension why they cannot study, why they cannot proper behavior, why they cannot do this types of things. That's the main reason.
I'm also a homemaker, I can understand. But you know, if you have chosen to be housemaker, then you know you should be happy and you should be responsible. You should have taken the responsibility of your kids family. You know, it is your choice if we are staying at home. So I think it depends on your mind. Sometime you know some women who are going outside, so they feel pressurized because they have to do the house chore work as well and they have to go outside. They have to look after both the things together.
Ma'am, but you can judge me many times. I judge many times, seriously, ma'am. Ki we are a homemaker, but our kids are not independent. But in a working woman's kids are independent. They know that the manners. But in a homemaker's kids always doing bothering, ma'am. They are not listening properly. Ki what mama can say and what our family can say. They are not take a same place in our toys, books, that type of things. But in homemakers, they always doing correct way, ma'am. In our kids.
I can't say anything about this because
Actually,
it
ma'am,
depends
because
on.
na, in my thought, ki we are again and again just in how I can the word they can use in tokna. We are again and again saying ki you do this thing, you do this thing. That time children are irritating. That's the main reason they are again and again bothering. I'm not doing. But in home, in working women, they are not again and again, ma'am, saying ki you can do. They are not affected ki our house is clean or not. Our
Mhm.
whole focus in our job, but in we are a homemaker, our whole focus in our home is already clean, they are fully furnished. They don't disturb that type of things.
Yes, because whenever the kids do mischievous things, we always say, "Don't do this, don't do that,
Yes,
sit here, sit there."
again and
Got
again
me?
interrupting, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah, we always interrupt them, but um, uh, if I talk about myself, I always interrupt my daughter when she has to study because she is not serious. She has to do her homework. So I always shout on her due to her study. Other than that, I never say her, don't do this, don't do this, that.
actually, ma'am, your kids, your how many years are old in your daughter, ma'am?
She is 7 years old.
Okay, but I think
Yes.
she's not both bothering you again and again. That's why you are very
Oh,
patientful.
she bothers me a lot. She bothers me a lot. I have She has two cousins. One is of her age and one is elder than her. So all of three, they always move around here and there, and but they are kids. If they are living together in a house, they will play, they will laugh, they will make noise. Your video is stuck. Your video is freezed. Mm-hmm.